everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a slightly different video to what I would usually do. I thought I would actually hop on the trend wagon and transform myself into a Vsco girl. I can't believe I'm even saying that, it's just so damn cringy. I'm transforming myself into a Vsco girl for this video, which is definitely going to be interesting. I didn't actually know what a Vsco girl was until like last night. No! This could be very interesting. I'm very excited, yet very nervous about this. I'm gonna give it a go anyway. But before we get into this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel because I make more content like this for your entertainment. So if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell if you're interested in knowing when I next upload. So let's get into the video. So I've just looked up on dictionary.com and the definition of a Vsco girl is a term generally used as an insult. That doesn't sound good. For a young, usually white woman who posts trendy pictures of herself edited on the app Vsco. I actually use Vsco for the majority of my Instagram pictures. I really like the filters, so I guess I'm part of the way there. Stereotypes of the Vsco girl include wearing scrunchies and Birkenstock sandals, drinking out of hydro flask reusable water canisters. What are they? What are hydro flasks? Saying and generally seeking attention online. Right. Okay. I got the vibe it was like sort of like Southern California sort of hipster girl who very like follows trends and has that sort of like relaxed West Coast style. That's what I got from it, but maybe it's not exactly that. I do feel very out of touch. Like, I'm 25 years old and I never knew what a Vsco girl was, so I looked it up. I saw that it was quite popular on TikTok and stuff like that, but I was like, what is a Vsco girl? It's basically, I think, what the Tumblr girl was back in the day. You know, 90s kids will understand what I mean, but like more of like a 2000s twist, I guess. So this could be interesting. This looks really cool and effortless, and I like that. I'm an effortless sort of girl, so this could be interesting or it could go horribly wrong. But here we go. Let's try and transform myself into a Vsco girl. A lot of Vsco girls actually like have effortless hair. They either wear sort of like low ponytails, space buns, effortless low buns, half ponytails, stuff like that. I'm gonna attempt to do a proper sort of surfer girl look with my hair to start off this transformation. So I thought at the moment, because my hair does not look good, it clearly needs a cut and it just looks effortless but in the worst way possible. I am actually going to try attempt to wet my hair and braid it, and then at the end of this video, when I've done like my outfit and stuff like that and my makeup, hopefully take the braids out and it'll give me some like effortless sort of beachy waves. So now I'm in the bathroom and this is step one of my transformation of being a Vsco girl. I'm just going to wet my hair in the sink because I'm classy, so that is what we're going to do now. So I've just dampened my hair quite a lot. My hair is literally dripping. Like, I don't know if you can see that, it's literally dripping. I'm just gonna quickly get myself even wetter and just brush it out a little bit. And then I'm just going to do some bleeding. I'm just gonna do some quick little braiding. I couldn't find hairbands that were the same colour, so I'm guessing this is Vsco girly, right? To have different coloured hairbands. I'm just gonna do some quick braids before my hair gets dry. So I've just finished my Vsco girl style braids, even though they're not really Vsco girl style. Literally, general plaiting is the best way I know. A lot of the articles said French braiding, but I don't know how to French braid, so this will have to do. I really hope this works. It's gonna be absolutely devastating if there's literally no waves. Hopefully I'm not gonna be a failed Vsco girl. So I think now I'm actually going to move on to doing some tiny bit of makeup, because apparently Vsco girls sort of don't wear that much makeup. You know, they're not foundation heavy, they're not contour heavy, they're just very sort of about natural sort of creams and sort of eyeliner, that sort of good stuff, you know, natural brows. So I'm not going to go too crazy with the makeup. So I think I'm going to start off by using my Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula, which is my favourite moisturiser ever. A little bit of that all over my skin to create that really sort of glowy, sort of California fresh skin. And then I think I'm going to use my Rimmel Radiance Primer, because apparently primer is something that Vsco girls use even though they don't wear foundation, which I find interesting, even though it is still cream. So I guess that sort of makes sense in a way. And as well, I think I might just put on some concealer. I think I'm just going to use the Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer. This is in the shade... rubbed off, I can't tell you the shade. But I think I'm just going to do a little bit of concealer because these like that. Definitely not Vsco girl ready. Very sort of light, fresh. I don't want to go too heavy, and this is definitely like a really good concealer for that because it's not heavy duty, it's very light on the skin. So I thought I'd just make my skin a little bit more perfect. Apparently as well, eyeliner is a thing for Vsco girls. So I think I'm just going to do a very small wing. So I'm just going to use this Kat Von D ink liner, which is one of the best eyeliners ever. Like, look at that, it's just amazing, I love it. I'm just going to hopefully apply this. This might have to be a time lapse because I'm not the best at concealer. I'm not the best at eyeliner, as you will literally be able to tell. I cannot draw a straight line for my life. This could be interesting. I think both of my eyeliners have literally like packed up. They're just dry as fuck. So I'm just gonna set the eyeliner using my Morphe palette. This is the Picasso palette. I'm just gonna use the black shade and just try and fill it in a bit because it looks not great right now. So I've just filled in my eyeliner. I think it actually looks okay now, but apparently they don't wear like eyeshadow or anything like that, so I'm going to completely skip my usual makeup routine. And I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of mascara. So I'm just gonna use my Rimmel Extreme Black Volume Flash Mascara, which is one of the best mascaras going. I'm not gonna go too heavy, I'm just gonna go very light. And then I'm just going to use some Vaseline because it seems a very Vsco girl-esque thing to do, to wear lip balm, like Burt's Bees lip balm, Carmex, but I don't actually own anything like that, so I'm just going to use Vaseline and hopefully that's Vsco girl-esque enough. My Vaseline that has clearly seen better days. So I think my makeup is pretty much done. I'm just gonna finish off a bit of all-nighter spray because apparently Vsco girls use a lot of hydrating sprays. So I thought this would probably classify as a hydrating spray. I definitely use this as a hydrating spray in the summer when my face feels really hot and I just need a bit of a breather, so. So I think that is all the makeup I'm going to do because I want to still create a really sort of effortless Vsco girl look. I think that definitely qualifies as effortless. Now, what I need to do is do my outfit, what I'm very excited about. This is actually my sort of style. I'm actually quite excited for this. So this is the Vsco girl outfit that I've come up with that I actually really love. So I'm gonna wear this beanie that I got from eBay that I think Zoella wore back in the day. So I thought beanies are very Vsco girl-esque, so I'm gonna rock that. And then I've got these shorts that I actually got, I think they're from the H&M Coachella range. I think that's very Vsco-esque anyway, and I think they sort of just fit in with the vibe really well. And you can actually see me in the glasses there, how funny. And then I've got as well this massive tie-dye top that I actually dyed myself, so I think that will really work well. And then in terms of accessories, I've got this like little piece bracelet. Apparently Vsco girls actually wear like shell necklaces and stuff, but I don't have one of those. I actually had a shell bracelet, but I actually got rid of it, which is so annoying because it would have been perfect for this video, but oh well. I think this actually works really well. And some rainbow coloured sunglasses, because I think these will just make the outfit complete. And then my shoes of choice, I'm gonna wear these Doc Martens because apparently they're Vsco girl-esque. So this is my full Vsco girl look. I think I look cool. I don't know. Not sure if I do or not, but I think this actually looks quite cool. I probably would actually wear this like on the daily, like not being funny, like this is actually really cool. I love this sort of vibe. It's very sort of relaxed, chill. I don't know, I'm sort of loving it about the glasses as well. Also, I do need to take the braids out for the like two-sword sort of hair look. The actual top sort of does come down below the shorts, which is like a standard Vsco girl sort of vibe, which I think I am pulling off. What do you guys think? Do you think I pulled it off well? I'm kind of loving this, to be honest. I'm just a bit gutted that I can have like the shell necklaces and stuff and the scrunchies. I'm actually really loving this. So as you can see, I've just taken out the braids and they've created sort of like a very subtle loose wave, which I actually really love. And considering I've literally had those plaits in for like half an hour, it actually turned out okay. So I guess I'm a Vsco girl now. All I need now is my shell bracelet, it's my Starbucks, my penny board, my, what's it called? Rucksack. Those rucksacks that are really popular with Vsco girls. I remember the name, but I just need all of those to be the ultimate Vsco girl. Definitely can be my vibe from now on. I love it. It's definitely a look I might actually rock in the summer. I actually really love this. I guess that is the end of my Vsco girl transformation. Please give me a like if you love this type of video, because I really loved filming this video. Very different for me and very different for my channel. I'd love your feedback if you loved it. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please leave me a comment letting me know if I look Vsco girly enough. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more stupid content like this, because I really want to do more transformation videos. I think this is really fun to do. I'm tempted to do like transforming into a goth girl, transforming into an Instagram girl. If that's something that you'd love to see, then let me know as well down in the comments. Subscribe to my channel because I make new content like this weekly now, and I'd appreciate it so much if you could subscribe and join me for this journey, because I'm currently, I think, at like 338 subscribers. So if we can smash 50, I'd say by the end of February, I'd be so happy. So I'd love it if you could join me on this journey. And also, please remember to hit the bell if you want to stay updated on when I upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.